Well, the other big story, the first bitter pill from Narendra Modi government starting today. Railway passenger fares have been increased by 14.2%, while freight charges go up by 6.5%. Definitely, it doesn't mean achhe din for the Aam Aadmi.
Get set to pay more for your humble train travels. NDA government bites the price bullet, effectuates a steep hike in rail fares ahead of the budget, literally deflating Modi's honeymoon period in office.
It was done by the previous government, and an interim budget, a consolidated budget was given by them on the basis of the fare hike. So, to meet all the necessary expenditure.
Railway passenger fares increased by over 14% across the board and freight charges up by 6.5%. The decision literally restoring the UPA government's May 16th announcement, when a similar hike in rail fares was announced and then immediately put on hold. Opposition Congress not leaving the opportunity to hit out at the Modi government, mocking the decision. The left demanding an immediate rollback on prices. The Aam Janta already reeling under spiraling prices of vegetables and other essentials, hitting out at the price hike. For a government which promised good days, the achhe din still seem a distant dream. Bureau Report, Headlines Today.
All right, and joining us right now live is former Railways Minister and RJD leader Lalu Prasad Yadav. Thank you very much, sir, for joining us. What is your first reaction to the steep fare hike that we are seeing from the NDA government? As a former Railways Minister, how do you see it? Do you think it was necessary?
भारतीय रेल के इतिहास में ये अद्भुत बढ़ोतरी हुई है। अच्छे दिन का झांसा दे करके देशवासियों को गुमराह करके ये सत्ता में बैठने के बाद अहंकार में डूब गए हैं। इनको भारत की जनता का ताकत का एहसास नहीं है इनको। और जब जब भाजपा आती है, जब जब एनडीए आती है, तो जनता का परवाह नहीं करती, किसान का, मजदूर का, गरीब का और इंसान का। आपको मालूम होगा कि अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी जब थे प्रधानमंत्री और एनडीए का शासन था, तो एनडीए के शासन में दुर्गति थी रेल का। उस समय भी बहुत बुरा हालत था। डॉक्टर राकेश मोहन कमेटी बनी थी और भारतीय रेल के दुर्दशा का पूरा चित्रण उन्होंने किया था, सारा अभिलेख है। उस समय मैं आया मंत्री बन के मैं रेल मंत्री आया, मैंने देखा, समीक्षा किया और मैंने ये तय किया कि इतना बड़ा हमारा नेटवर्क इंडियन रेलवे का, और हमने कहा था कि भारतीय रेल, आज भी मैं बोलता हूं कि जर्सी काऊ है, इसको सेवा करना, इसे दूहना, और गुड्स ट्रेन को हमने कहा था कि अर्निंग हॉर्स है। और आज जो अच्छे दिन का जो सपना दिखा के नरेंद्र मोदी ने जो एंटीबायोटिक दिया है, सुई दिया है देश की जनता को, तो ये देश की जनता और पैसेंजर और सारे लोग बर्दाश्त करने के स्थिति में नहीं है। इसलिए इसको रोल बैक करो। आज जो वादा किए हो निभाना पड़ेगा, और नहीं तो बीच में जाना पड़ेगा, हम लोग को सड़क पर आना पड़ेगा। और ये बहाना करना कि यूपीए गवर्नमेंट इंटरिम मतलब चुनाव आ गया इसलिए वो बढ़ाना चाहती थी, इसलिए तो यूपीए गवर्नमेंट को बोलते हो सब खराब, सब खराब। तो यूपीए का बहाना बना के यूपीए को जो सजा मिला नहीं मिला उसका खत्म। आप जो रामराज की बात करते थे, तो आज तो साफ हो गया कि मॉर्निंग शो द डेज कि आप कहां देश को और जनता के साथ क्या व्यवहार आप कर रहे हो। और अभी तो बजट सेशन में फाइनेंस का बजट आने वाला है, ऑपरेशन थिएटर तैयार हो रहा है, उसमें अभी ऑपरेशन करने वाले हैं। आई भारतीय रेल को अदानी जैसे लोगों के निजी हाथों में ही अब देने वाले हैं। ये आके बोलेगा कि भाई नहीं 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 चलेगा। हम भारत सरकार से हम 60,000 करोड़ का अर्निंग किया, सरप्लस मनी किया, बोनस दिया, कर्मचारियों का प्रतिष्ठा बढ़ा हमारे कार्यकाल में। और वही नहीं, हमने डिविडेंड भी भारत सरकार का पेमेंट किया। अब पुराना डिविडेंड जो इन लोगों का एरियर था वो भी हमने दिया। हम हाथ नहीं पसारे भारत और फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट के सामने। तो ये तो आज ये सहने योग्य बात नहीं है। पूरा महंगाई, कमर तोड़ महंगाई बढ़ेगी। महंगाई तो बढ़ ही रहा है और इजाफा इसमें होगा। और इसको हम लोग जन आंदोलन के रूप में सारे देशवासियों से, नौजवानों से, सबसे हम लोग अपील करते हैं कि आप लोग सावधान हो जाओ। ये गाल बजाना शुरू किए हैं, बोलते हैं कि खजाना खाली था, खजाना खाली था। आज चिदम्बरम ने क्या कहा? कोई खजाना खाली नहीं था।
यस,
तो रोल बैक करो।
All right, Laluji. So you're demanding a rollback there, but the Railways Minister Sadanand Gowda today said that they are in fact just doing what the interim budget, what the government had announced in its interim budget. So how exactly can you hold their government responsible? You did not protest at that time on May 16th when this announcement was made and then withheld?
तो ये 10 साल का हालत का गौड़ा जी आपको जानकारी नहीं है। ये गौड़ा जी आपको जानकारी नहीं है और आप जिम्मेवार नहीं हो। नरेंद्र मोदी का आदेश है ये, और ये जस्टिफाइड नहीं कर सकते हो। और 10 साल में हालत हो गया। भारत का अर्थव्यवस्था दुनिया के 3रे स्थान पर हमें माननीय मनमोहन सिंह के समय का। और आप बताओ, व्हाइट पेपर दो। ये तो अभी सारा सब्सिडी, डीजल का दाम, फ्यूल का दाम, ये सब बढ़ाने वाले हैं।
Right.
इनको कमाई करना चाहिए था। 2/3 हमारा देश का सामान ढोला रहा है, ट्रकों से जा रहा रोड के द्वारा, उस माल को रेल पर लाना था हमको, ये नाश करके छोड़ दिया। इसलिए ये बहाना नहीं चलेगा। ये गणेश जी को दूध पिलाने वाले लोगों, अब तुम्हारा झांसा देश की जनता समझ रही है और बर्दाश्त करने वाली नहीं है।
So a steep rail fare hike of 14% effective from today. Freight charges also going up by 6.5%. Let me quickly go across to our correspondents. Indrajit Kundu joining us from Howrah in Kolkata. Also joining me right now is my colleague Pratibha Raman from Bangalore. How is this being received in Kolkata, Indrajit? The opposition already flaying the Modi government for this steep hike in rail fare.
Well, that's right, Ruchika. Let me tell you, the Trinamool Congress has already criticized the Modi government, saying that this is a super rail budget before the real budget. I have a few passengers with me. How do you see this? People have voted massively for this new government. They thought price tags will come down, but this seems to be a shocker.
Yeah, we thought actually the price tags will come down. As I'm a student, I have to travel 3-4 times to my native to my study educational place. So we thought if the price goes down, it will be much more helpful for us to travel home back. And yeah, 14.2% is a huge hike, and it will create a lot of difference in our traveling. Where we usually used to travel from educational place to native, now we have to think before we make a decision.
The rail fare is said to be the it's for common masses, but do you think that will also become difficult?
It will be difficult, surely, to the general people, as they are not all are high income group. There are mixed incoming group, and they will affect surely to the.
So there you have it. In Kolkata, at least people believe that this is definitely going to pinch their pockets, given that it's such a record hike in a single time. 14%, mind you, is a record hike, and that's definitely going to pinch pockets.
Certainly. Let's also quickly go across to Pratibha Raman, who in fact is in Hyderabad tonight. And Pratibha, you, I believe, have people with you. Similar sentiment there. It certainly is an unpopular decision, but do people think that this is what is required if you want to revamp our railways?
Well, Ruchika, it's a mixed bag of opinion here. On one hand, people seething with temper, stating that this price hike is not justified at all. But on the other hand, people seem to think that this is the first step towards development and some amount of services, that improvement in services that we could see, and that would perhaps be promised by the Modi government. And I have here with me one such passenger who is completely negative about this price hike. What do you think that this price hike is not justified at all?
Generally, we IT professionals prefer to travel through railways. It's because there is a high amount of in RTC buses, so it's a low cost, and also we prefer traveling trains.
Right.
As of now, we came to know that there is a hike in the train. So,
Right.
But then on the other hand, there is a gentleman here with me who seems to think that there could be some amount of improvement that we can see.
Yeah, it could be a tough move from the government that it has taken a tough decision. But on the other side, if you see, it can be the betterment for the railway. If we are getting
Right.
good services, we are getting clean.
So that's that, Ruchika.
All
from
right,
here in
Pratibha
Hyderabad.
and Indra, we'll have to leave it there. Thank you very much for joining us. An unpopular decision with people, but certainly a bold one. Many would see it that way. We'd have to wrap it right here on Newsnight tonight.